The red and gold brigade out here in numbers, cheering aloud for a team qualified directly to the group stage, along with the three teams, two from west, one from east. Captain of East Bengal, the battle begins for 90 minutes. Who gets the spot? The ACL 2 prelims. Altin Nasir, looking at their form, they look a little strong. They have scored 11 goals in the last two outings, and not just that, unbeaten in the last 6 games. So East Bengal have a tough challenge in the form of Altin Nasir, and for East Bengal, they also looking great. Back-to-back for the national team out here. The Mecca of Indian football here in Salt Lake Stadium. East Bengal versus Altin Nasir. India versus Turkmenistan. After winning the Kalinga Super Cup, East Bengal beating Orish FC 3-2 in extra time. They've secured the spot and they're looking forward to getting the spot in the ACL2 group stage in the West Zone. Altin Nasir from Turkmenistan. A strong side, but the challenge for them in not just East Bengal, but the 12th man for them. In numbers out here at the Salt Lake Stadium, the crowd. Long ball. Quick attack from Altin Nasir. Safe hands of Prabhu Kangil. Both the teams trying to settle down. Khas Quadra knows the opponents very well. He's no stranger to Altin Nasir. Encountered them in 2019 while he was managing Bengaluru FC in the AFC Cup Inter-Zonal semi-finals. Altin Nasir overcame Bengaluru in both legs, 2-0 and 3-2. So tonight is the night for him to take revenge. Talking about Khas Quadra's counterpart, the mastermind behind club's remarkable success. He has been there since 2014. A lot of achievements for him with the club. So the rich history for East Bengal and Altin Nasir. Club founded in 2008. Looking forward to overcome this tough challenge. As East Bengal is backed by the home crowd. The quick passes in the defense line. Altin Nasir, that's their style of playing. Mostly a full-back army, defending, trying to get those clean sheets. And they focus on the counter-attacks. But right now the possession is here with East Bengal. A quick turn. Great passing. Here's the chance. Mohammad Rakib sets it up. For the goalkeeper, he's saved. And then a quick clearance. Great chance from the right for the red and gold brigade. Good move. It's brightened up the atmosphere out here at the Salt Lake Stadium. Superb run. And a good pass from Anhit Dalal to Rakib. That's what created the first magic, but not the finishing touch. Rakib beating Anna Varazov and then setting it up. But all-important touch coming in from Batir Babayev. That's the reason it's still at the deadlock. But a great move. This made the home crowd happy. Some new signings for the red and gold brigade will be creating magic, and that's what the fans expect. And that can be true because the transfer window has been super for East Bengal. Right now it's Altin Nasir with the attack. Titov. Tajiev looking for options. Gives a pass to Anayev. Anayev sets up. Shot with the left one. Goes off the target. Altin Nasir with a quick response. Silencing the home crowd. Players to watch out for Altin Nasir will be Numurdav Selim, most valuable player for the team. Along with the captain and also in the defense. Sure, but talking about these Bengal signings this transfer window, they have been quite active. Have a formidable squad featuring prominent names like Jigsan Singh, Tiaman Thakur, Smriti Dalal. The recent signing, Anwar Ali, they're not featuring tonight, but Khas Quadra making sure this season is a good one for the club and for his team. When restart for East Bengal, they lose out possession. Babajanov gives it to their experienced defender. From the left, Tajiev. Parjanov trying to keep possession. The team mostly play with back four and focus on a solid defense and then try to surprise the opponents with the counters. Looking at the average age of Al Nassr, it's 27 years. And the squad features 9 national team players. No foreign signings in the squad. A good interception. That's the reason the Red and Gold have possession and a quick call from the referee for a foul. Saul Crespo, the captain, to go ahead with the turn. Challenged quickly. Nunga. Hijazi Maher. This time from the left. The creator. Great ball. For Nanda. Nanda still looking for a setup. He does it. A header on target. Comes back from the post. Still a chance. Goes into the back of the net. David Marr finishes up. What a final touch. This is the first strike tonight. That's fancy. But still, it's important for the team. And that's how East Bengal start their continental journey. Taking the lead in front of the home crowd. Out here at the Salt Lake Stadium. It's celebrations. Only celebrations in the first quarter. David Marr is the reason. East Bengal are leading one. Al Nassr, a goal behind. Nanda Shekhar deserves credit for the perfect setup. The header went on target. Babayev saved it the first time. Ricocheted back from the post and then David Marr finishing it off in style with the left foot. So East Bengal 1, Al Nassr 0. Celebrations along with crackers. Loud cheers have already started. This is what the fans have been waiting for out here. But you can't rule out the opponents. Al Nassr, very strong opponent. Reminding you, scored 11 goals in the last 2 outings and are on a 6-game unbeaten streak. Will that end tonight? Is the question. Touch here. Shorat with the long ball. The flag stays down, but the ball goes out of the field of play. Goal kick for East Bengal. After the goal, as the side was celebrating, Al Nassr's goalkeeper, Patir Babayev, was challenging the referee's decision. He wanted a foul in the team's favor. The goal has been allowed, and that's the reason. Early celebrations for the home crowd out here at the Salt Lake Stadium. No foul. No foul, says the referee. Showing Chakraborty sandwiched out there. This early strike will give the team confidence. Carlos Quadrats' team will look more confident. But all they have to do is hold on to the lead. We'll look for another opening to double it up. He has a lot of strength in the bench. He's got the perfect start. Nanda trying for it. Gets a touch, but not a good one. The planning seems to be clear. Nanda playing freely. For the goal, he set it up from the left. This time he was running from the right. All over the striking zone. A missed pass, and that's the reason he's being all trying to attack again. This time from the right. Quick turn. Options Rakib, but has been snatched by Tajiev. Counter from Al Nassr. Couldn't generate because in transition, East Bengal is looking great and maintaining a good formation. Manzurazo looks for his captain Atayev. Babajanov. Soyunov Shorat. Experienced defender sets up a long ball. From the right, a floater comes in, a header for clearance from Hijazi Maher. A shot taken, not a good connection from Tajiev. Acrobatic effort from the flag goes up. Clear offside out there. Back-to-back wins for East Bengal in the Durand Cup. Score lines 3-1. Indian Air Force and Downtown Heroes were the opponent. From the left. Standing touch. Shoaib looking for options on the right. He gets Rakib. Gives it back to Shoaib. Shoaib Chakraborty. Along with Madhi and Sal Crespo in the midfield. He's got good company now this season. Passing in Nanda. Tries to collect it. Gets it. Keeps it in action but goes for a throw in. The 32 teams will be competing in the newly introduced second-tier men's club competition. 4 teams are fighting for the 2 available slots in the ACL2 group stage in the West Zone. Selim gets to the right. Ground of passes. Selim with Tajiev from the extreme right. It's Anayev. Ruslan Tajiev. Keeping possession. Altin Nasser looking for that equalizer. A floater to the extreme right. Flag stays down. The cross comes in. A touch on target. Prapsu Kangil. Brilliant save. Tajiev again. Sets it up for the captain. Left footer goes off the target. Another try from Altin Nasser. This time Prapsu Kangil was ready for the challenge. And this is where East Bengal has to be careful. Giving away those openings. And that is what Altin Nasser is looking for. Tense moments for the home crowd. But Prapsu Kangil coming to the rescue. Nurmuradov Selim, 28-year-old for Altin Nasser, their most valuable player. Along with Titov, Myra Tibadiev, will all be a threat for East Bengal's defense line. Kind of led by Hijazi Maher. Heavy strapping in his right knee. Rakib with the throw-in. Crespo gets the throw-in to Altin Nasser. It's Anas Razom. Papajanov. Soyunov. Atayev gives it to Bauzhanov. Ruslan Tajiev. Nurmuradov Selim. Came to Soyunov. Great through ball. Not a perfect execution. Calm, composed defending. Anabinda. An onside run. The goalkeeper comes out, and that's the reason Nanda Shekhar couldn't reach for the ball. But a good move, and right now it's Altin Nasser looking for the equalizer. A setup from the right. Goes straight to Prapsu Kangil. A little busy, but he's looking confident. The last line of defense for East Bengal, Prapsu Kangil. Has got Chandunga, Rakib, Chazi Maher, Magzo for his company in the defense line. Aerial duel. Altin Nasser trying to keep possession, lose it out. Shoaib with the header. Couldn't find his teammate. Another long ball. This time straight to Prapsu Kangil. Salim chasing Prapsu Kangil. Long ball, perfect delivery. But Rakib out there with a little late start. Papajanov to Soyunov. So East Bengal, kind of a 5-man defense, trying to stop Altin Nasser's attack. And up front, Nanda, along with Madhi and David, are the ones trying to test Altin Nasser's defense line. Tajiev. Long ball from Anazarov in the area, on the turn, a shot taken, the wrong side of the net. Could have been the equalizer. Altin Nasser missing it out. Their most valuable player got the chance. The 28-year-old Nurmuradov Selim set it up for himself with the first touch, and on the second one, a powerful shot, but not on target. But good move from Al Nasir from the left, testing East Bengal's defense line. Throw in again from Al Nasir. Pavshanov to Atayev. Sends a long ball. The flag stays down. Lofted shot taken. And on target. Prabhsukhan Gill watches as Al Nasir equalizes. Great execution from that long delivery. On the drop. He just took the shot. Lofted one. Keeping it on target. And the scoreline changes to 1-1 out here at the Salt Lake Stadium. Anayev with equalizer. And this is what Al Nasir was looking for. David Marr took the lead for East Bengal but has been equalized by Anayev. And for the equalizer, the delivery was pinpoint and perfect. And that's the reason a perfect finish came in. Prabhsukhan Gill has been busy from the word go. This time he could stop this one. So as the second quarter kicks off, it's 1-1. Dependence in numbers. And in numbers. Takes a run. Mohammad Rakib from the right. East Bengal look for the lead. Sets it up. A drop and straight to Batir Babayev. Could have done better this time, Rakib. Get it back for Al Nasir to strike it. Soyunov, Jovov, along with Tayev with the discussion. Will it be the captain or will it be Salim? Or is it going to be Soyunov? Salim takes a strike. Salim on target. Nur Murado Salim. From a distance to the back of the net. The 28-year-old strikes. The most valuable player is the reason that Al Nasir have taken the lead for the first time in this game. Established. No foul, says the referee. Nitalan. Rakib. Crespo, Rakib. Shunmunga wants an intelligent play out there.